In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase FPS with shaders in Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to improve performance while using shaders and playing Minecraft. Now, before I even begin talking about this, I want to make it very clear that sadly, if your PC is not powerful enough, let's say you don't have a dedicated graphics card, or it is too old, your CPU is too old, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. You can of course follow the steps that I'm going to show in this video, but at the end of the day, if your PC is not capable of rendering Minecraft with shaders, there's not much else to do. So first, for some basic fixes, inside of the game, go into the video settings. If you are using Optifine, even though it is going to work and it will give you a boost, I highly recommend switching to something like Sodium instead. Sodium is essentially everything that Optifine is, but even better and more optimized, more up to date. So if you need to install it, there's going to be plenty of instructions when you go to its mod page, and it is by far the best option to get more FPS. Now, when you go over to the options themselves, always pay attention to stuff like the render distance. The render distance is by far one of the biggest things that will impact performance. You can hover over any of these settings and they will tell you the performance impact. So always start by managing the render distance. And of course, close down any unused applications. I have a lot of stuff running because I have a powerful PC. But of course, if your PC is not as powerful, close down web browsers, stuff running in the background, other games, and on the quality, you can lower stuff too fast. An important thing is to go into shader packs and in here, choose the shader pack settings. Many people don't know this, but each shader actually has its own settings page and you can actually lower the profile. So as you can see, I'm using the medium profile for complementary reimagined, but I can lower this to potato, very low, low, and so on. So by changing these presets and profiles, you can find something that is more in line with your computer specs, which in turn will give you improved performance. Besides this, one incredibly important thing to pay attention to is to see if your dedicated graphics card is being used. So at the right side of the screen, you can see my graphics card on the display. To know if your PC is using the proper one, you can go into the graphics settings. So look for graphics settings on Windows, look for Minecraft on this list, and make sure that under GPU preference, the high performance graphics card is being used. So if you have something like integrated graphics, make sure to switch away from it. I hope I was able to help you on how to increase FPS with shaders Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.